Hello crypto enthusiasts and welcome back to the channel. So CEX.io CEX Power Tab team just released an update, and this update was released on the 29th of April 2025. So this very update says important announcement. Okay, this update talks about the qualification criteria for CEX .io airdrop. Okay, if you don't do these things which you are instructed to do, you would benefit from this airdrop. Okay, so this very update is important, so make sure you watch this video to the very end and don't skip, so that you don't miss any important information I'll be sharing with you in this very video. Okay, so this is what they asked us to do right here, and this very update is talking about the important announcement pre-qualification for the airdrop, which is coming soon. Now you can see right here pre-qualification, meaning this is what you have to do to qualify for this very airdrop. So it says the pre-qualification process will soon be available and requires 4 simple steps. So the first steps you have to do is, number 1, verify your email address, verify your Telegram ID, connect your wallet, and enter your CZ codes. Okay, so you can see BeCEXY will share details, instruction for completing each step in the upcoming post on the BeCEXY portal and social media handles. Okay, so what we're going to do today is to verify our email address, verify our Telegram address, connect our wallet, and enter our CZ code. I'm going to show you all these. So we're going to be talking about this, we're going to be addressing all this. More easy, you have to stay to the very end so you don't miss out on important information I'll be sharing with you. So if we open up this CEX.io Power Tab app, so the first thing you have to do right now is to come over to this very place that says airdrop at the top right here. Just click on airdrop right now. Okay, and the moment you click on airdrop, it's going to lead you to this very page which says welcome to the future of engagement tools. This project will change the approach how you spend time in Web3 space. So they are saying that this very project will actually change the approach on how you spend time on this very Web3 space. I'm going to click on get started right now. Okay, and the moment you click on get started, you are required to enter an email. Okay, for some of us, you would already see an email here, probably the email used during the sign up process. But if you don't have an email, you're meant to enter an email, and I'm going to actually enter an email right now. So the email I'm going to be entering is an email I am known with, or I usually use. Okay, so I'm just going to enter that very email right now. And once you're done entering this very email, the next thing you're meant to do is to say send me code. Okay, and it says please enter the verification code you received to your email. So let's head over to our email right now and grab that very code. Okay, I didn't even need to go to my email, the code appeared at the top right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in that code right now. So 192141. Okay, and you can see it says success, you're now registered successfully and you will be notified of the further public updates. Okay, so it says to get exclusive early bird access, please enter invitation code. Okay, so our email is at the top right here. Okay, now we're being asked to enter an invitation code. The code is actually the code of someone who has actually registered from what I have seen so far, right? So we're going to enter that very code right now. I'm just going to grab someone's code and fix it in here. So I'm going to fix in that very code right now, and the moment I fix in that code, I'm going to click on get now. Now in case you need a code, I'll be leaving a code in the description of this very video. Note that you must enter a code right here after entering your email and verifying with the code that is sent to your email. You must enter a code right here to complete the process. And if you need a code, I'll be leaving that very code in the description of this very video, in the pinned comment, and you'll also see it on the screen right now while you're watching this very video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on get now, or get in now. So this is it right here. You can see right here we are now in, right? And it says improve the number in queue by inviting your friends. Okay, so this is it right here. Now if you want to invite your friends, I'll just scroll down right here. This is the code right here. This is the code you give to people, right? You don't have to give them mine, right? You have to give them yours. But this is the code you enter when you are asked to enter a code. After entering the code sent to your email, you're meant to enter a code, and when you are asked to enter a code, you enter this very code right here. When you also need to give someone a code to enter, you pick this very code at the back right here and send it to someone, and if they get copy that and paste it in here, they also enter that very code. So this is basically how it works. I don't need to hide anything from you. Most people will hide it from you, but I'm telling you this so that you know that this is the way you benefit from this. So if you look right here, you see that my rank is actually 1,435,213, okay, out of 11 million right here. So this very slot is closing up fast. This stuff is closing up. You need to get in right now before this bar fills up, right? So make sure you get in right now. Whenever you're seeing this very video, please hop in so that you'll be one of those who benefit from this. Do not say this will be really too late. Just give it a try and let's see how that goes. All right, so this is the update I want to bring to your notice today. I hope with the information you get from this, you'll be able to complete these very criteria for this very airdrop. So we've been able to verify our email address and enter our CZ code, which is step 1 and 4, right? Step 1 and 4. Now for step 2 and 3, this update will be coming up later, right? There is no official announcement regarding this right now, which is verify your Telegram ID and connect your wallet. Now once that very update comes out, I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, this is more reason you have to subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on to all, so that whenever I drop any update about CEX PowerTap, you'll be one of the first to get notified. All right, when this comes out, I'm going to create a video for it, so for you to not miss out on that very update, hit the subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. All right, so this is it for this video. We are done with this, and I'm just going to X out of this right now and come here. Now whenever you click on airdrop right now, this is just going to lead you to this very page, and even if you click the get started and you're already signed up for this, this is what you need to know. You just need to know that you have already officially signed up for this. I believe when you enter your email right now, let's just enter our email right here again and click on send me the code, and you see that it's still the same code, right? Whenever you are actually fixing a code, you see that it's still the same code unless you change the email address, or once you fix in that particular email address you used before, you're still going to be given the same code, right? So you can just copy this right now and send to someone who needs to do this. So this is basically all you need to know regarding this very update. This is what you need to know regarding the airdrop qualification or eligibility criteria for the CEX PowerTap airdrop, right? So get into this, do this right now, and let's see how it goes, right? So with this, we've come to the end of this very video. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Stay safe.